What's up, my beautiful peeps? I'm Ashley and welcome to my channel. Sorry for this disaster look right now. That's because today's video is all about how I clean my beauty sponges and makeup brushes. So if you want to learn how to do that, keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. In the comments below, please let me know what you guys want to see next. Also, if you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn those little post notifications on if you want to know when I post. Sorry that this week's video was a day late. That is because I was busy all weekend fixing my car. Yay, cars. All of the items that I used in this video are going to be listed down below and how much I used of the ingredients to clean my brushes. I will mention that some of the cream brushes that I used, they get very gunky because I use very full coverage items. Therefore, sometimes you just need to soak them multiple times and swish them around in that mixture for multiple occasions, and I found that using the hand sprayer from my faucet actually really helped with it as well. So I did not show you guys that in the video, however, I'm disclosing that now. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye!